Oh, hey, how are you? I'm Andre, and this is Edible Fitness. Now you're probably asking yourself right about now, what is edible fitness? I'm glad you asked. Here I'm going to show you healthier ways of eating from vegan, vegetarian, meat eaters. It's going to be awesome and we're going to have a good time. Everything you've been looking for? Right here. But not only that, every Thursday right back here, you're gonna find either a training video or an edible knowledge video. What's an edible knowledge video? I'm glad you asked. Edible Knowledge is a video series that I created to help all of us better understand the food from around the world, whether it be oca or rhubarb or strawberries or celery. And there's more. So every now and then I'll take you guys along with me on a food tour and we'll check out some of the healthier places here in Ottawa. It's gonna be awesome and I hope you'll subscribe for lots more stuff. Edible Fitness, healthier eating for everyday people. See ya.